Just in short, what you see here tonight is a dream that we started dreaming a year ago. Most of the people are here in this room today. A lot of hard work. What you see here today, there was nothing a year ago. Absolutely nothing. From the floor tiles to the merchandise, zero. It's been in a concept we dreamt up. It's a concept we took from a dream to a planning stage, to a production stage, to what you see here today. A lot of thanks to Jamil and his team, the production team, the marketing team, and Fawaz Al-Okay Group as a whole that supported and believed in our dream, that gave us the right to dream and to be able to put something as awesome as what you are privileged to see here tonight. Our goal is to revolutionize the value sector of the market. Everybody talks about price, everybody talks about being cheap, everybody talks about being the best fashionability out there. We don't say anything like that. What we tell you, we will give you consistency from a fashion point of view, consistency from a price point of view, and then the quality to back that up. Cheap doesn't always mean the best. What we want to give you is the best with the best value.